but you may know me as Pixie Jump because of my YouTube channel name. And I did say in my bio that I post just random junk and fan edits, and this junk may just be helpful for you today. So I am just telling you a few tips and tricks for the new Musically update, and they work out for me. They might work out for you. I don't know. It depends on how you use them. But first of all, the new Musically update. Let me know how you rate it in the comments. I rate it like a 3 because it doesn't really satisfy me. But anyway, let's get on to the tutorial. So the new Musically update is kind of good to me, but at the same time it's not. Okay, because like I'm making a Musically before the update, they had like these awesome filters that you didn't even have to download or pay for. Now they have new ones that there's only one filter available and the others you have to download, and it's very lame to me. I don't like it. And then I don't like the fact that I have to turn my beauty effect filter off every time I make Musically, because when my beauty filter's on, it lags, and I don't know why. Because my friend Bella, she says that her beauty filter is always on, but her camera never lags. But she also has a Samsung phone. I have an LG, so it's a tough life. Anyway, I would just like to say, like, a tip I use when making my Musicallys is the transitions. I use lapse mode because when you just use regular normal mode or fast mode, it doesn't really seem as cool because it's almost like, hey, she paused the video to make that disappear. That's not right. Lapse mode, people can't tell that because it's just, it makes it faster, so it actually looks cooler. But if you do make a Musically with a transition in it, make sure you switch your mode to lapse, because that's like the best way it'll work, unless you can find a way for normal mode or fast mode to work out for you. And another tip I will give to you is when you're making a Musically, don't even try to use normal mode because it is just boring, and it's kind of hard to even try to time your lip sync with the exact song, because in fast mode it actually goes in slow mo, so you can just like slow mo lip sync. That way your words are all tight together. But the one thing about fast mode when you're making Musically is that the slow mo is very quiet, so I suggest turning your phone up a little bit to where you can hear the words, because that's probably the best way it'll work. And what else? Oh, it takes longer to upload a video that you already have on your device to make it Musically. Because when I got my Musically back, when I started a new account, I uploaded a Melanie Martinez fan edit, and it took like 20 minutes for it to upload. But after a little while, when I made an original Musically, it took like 10 minutes. I'm just like, what the frick is going on here? And it's weird. I don't know. I guess since I don't have a Samsung or an iOS phone, it's very different and it's weird. But Musically is really fun. What I did notice, I don't know if it's my data network or what, but my thumbnails aren't animated, even though I have in the settings that I want my thumbnails animated. It still's not animated, but I know it's probably my data network because when I get on other people's Musicallys, it doesn't, it's not animated at all. So I'm sure it's my data network because it wouldn't just not be animated if I didn't want it to be. Because I do want my thumbnails to be animated because I find that really cool to go on somebody's page and actually see a little preview of what they're doing in their Musically. But yeah, and some of the challenges now are kind of complicated because they require things that I don't have, like the Peace Tea challenge. Like, I don't have a can of Peace Tea around my house right now. All I have is orange juice and grape juice and stuff. And then there's the pet poke. I don't even have a pet. I do not have a pet. All I have is one stuffed animal. that's been with me since I was a little girl. And stair shuffle. I do not have stairs in my house. The finger shuffle. I don't have tiny fingers. Well, of course I don't have tiny fingers. I don't have tiny shoes to do the finger shuffle. And the little hand thing. I stay at home by myself with my mom a lot. So I don't really have sleepovers and stuff, so that's like a challenge that I will never do probably because it requires friends, I think. And it's just a lot to do. Like, there are a lot of challenges that I really want to do, but I don't have the stuff. And just, why? You know? And I will have to rate the new Musically update a 3 because it's not as good as it used to be. I mean, I have to say that the style looks a lot better than last time, but yeah. Anyway, I feel like the video's about to end, so I just want to say make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and press on the bell down below so you can get new updates on my videos. Bye, I love you.